All right, guys, we're here with Tony again with this absolutely clapped out Turbo Miata, and today we are doing a wall tap drift challenge. All right, so right now we're grabbing some hay bales to set up out in the field, and these will be our targets basically. We're gonna be trying to hit these things with the back end of the Miata while sliding it sideways, and whoever does that better will win the challenge. So comment down below right now who you think is gonna win the challenge, me or Tony, and then we'll go do it, and then let us know down below if you were right. So, yeehaw! Oh yeah! Grab some hay bales and let's do it. All right, so here we have our wall, and then leading up to it, we have a bunch of cones. Hopefully it'll help lead us into this wall and make a, I don't know, pretty cool video once we hit these hay bales. Who's gonna hit it first? That's a real question.
Probably me, let's be real.
I don't think so. I think I'm the Miata guy over here. You have an NC, so you're used to driving boats and
stuff. But I have a 240, bro.
Yeah, you do have a 240, but maybe we could do a head-to-head 240 versus this.
It does not run. How are we deciding this?
We're doing rock, paper, scissors.
All right. You don't know this, but I am the world champion of rock, paper, scissors.
Whole world?
The whole world.
All right, we'll see if I win. Are we doing 2 out of 3 or 1?
Best of 3.
All right. All right. Yeah, world champion has been defeated. All right, safety first, we're getting our seatbelts on.
We didn't do that last video.
And now we're ready to rip. Let's see if I can hit these hay bales.
All right, let's see if Cash can really beat me. I don't think he can, but we're gonna see.
I got this, dude. I got this. I whiffed. All right, first attempt there, I blew it, totally whiffed the wall Tony's getting in. What do you think, you gonna get it?
I'm 100% gonna get it. Leave it to someone who knows what they're doing.
All right, we'll see about that. Ah, he got it. So guys, if you don't know this, Tony is basically a professional drifter. So that's
FD driver.
Yeah, that's the only reason that he was able to beat me in this challenge, but I'm gonna get it next time right now.
Oh yeah, no, one more time. Easily.
One more time,
easily,
yeah.
Easily. You stall it?
I stalled it. I think the battery came unhooked. So what do I need to do better here? Because I clearly can't hit that wall.
Okay, we are in a field with hay bales and a spray painted Miata. Just hit them.
All right.
Like, even if you hit them with the door, like that is fine. Like,
what about nose in? Is that some point?
No, that does not count.
Okay.
That does not count.
Got to be side of the car. All right, we'll go for it. We'll see if I can do better.
All right.
What about nose in? Is that some point?
No, that does not count.
Okay. And I did more damage than you, so that's got to be worth something.
Dude, you hit him with the bumper.
Let's set him up. I want to hit it with the back end.
All right, that last run was more nose happy than Steve Jobs at a frat party.
Let's go.
Let's go! How's it feel?
Dude, feels so good. That's so sick to finally hit that. And honestly, like, it felt pretty in control, so I'm pretty happy with that.
Let's go.
All right, guys, just to show you the difference in drifting ability, we're gonna show you guys where we actually hit the hay bales with the car. Tony, go ahead and show them your precise location that you hit the hay bale. So Tony cleanly smacked that hay bale with just the corner of the bumper right there. So that was well placed, my friend. This thing had no scratches up front at all on my first 3 attempts, but on my last attempt I had to hit the hay bale, so I got it with the door right there. Alright, so we're gonna do a little award ceremony here since Tony won this challenge. I got a real special thing for him. I think he's gonna like it. So Tony, my first attempt, you probably saw me, you know, I was going in a little bit straight at the hay bales, and I managed to lose part of the over fender off the front bumper. So here's your reward for winning this challenge. I can sign that after if you want. It'll probably be worth some big money.
Yeah, there's enough for me to go around.
Yeah. He has his own YouTube channel. We're gonna link that down below. He's gonna do some drifting challenges and other crazy stuff on his channel. He has a sick drift car, so if you wanna see that, check it out. I'll show you a clip right now of how good he is, because he really is a good driver. Like, I expected to lose this challenge. What track are you doing, Thompson?
Yeah.
All right, nice, nice. And yeah, with all that, subscribe so you can see more of this beater Miata being torn up in fields like this. Next thing we're doing, off-roading challenge. So we're gonna take this thing down some roads that it was not meant to go down and see how it does. So subscribe so you don't miss it.